rapidly oncoming day of admitting Poland to the European Community makes Polish plants specializing in recycling of the cars apply new technological organization solutions. It comes out of two reasons. Directions of European Parliament and Council of Europe dated the 18th of September 2000 describing handing the vehicles out of their technical life is the document drawing up a plan of ECE actions in this sphere for following years. These directions plan the increase, latest up to the 1st of January 2006, of the reuse and recovery for all the vehicles finishing their technical life up to minimum 85% of an average vehicle weight annually, and before the 1st of January 2015 up to 95%. Coming into force, European legislation will force Polish companies to observe the rules of environmental protection, and competition from Western Europe will threaten the existence of those who will not accept this challenge. Ambit company had it in mind while creating the system of car recycling ARES, Ambit Recycling System. ARES system means organization of disassembling of the vehicles in our vehicle disassembling plant in Dobrzyniewo-Duże near Białystok. In the process of program projecting, special attention was devoted to its minimum harmful influence of the local environment, bearing in mind that fact that Białystok is located in the region called Green Lungs of Poland, nearby Białowieska forest, last place with primeval environment in Europe. Especially here, all the steps should be taken to protect this beautiful natural environment from the influence of modern civilization. This task is fulfilled in our program of recycling. Basic elements of ARES system are technological line for car disassembling, computer software assisting system performance. Computer software in ARES system is used for record of scrapped vehicles, disassembling technological assist, record of car spare parts and waste materials, information retrieval and running statistics on recycling program. This program, through connection of the database and internet search engine, makes spare parts distribution and waste manning easy. Waste and raw materials are transmitted to the further processing, use or utilization. At the same time, the program allows detailed record of the waste and materials obtained from a single car with accuracy up to 1% of vehicle weight. It enables quick accommodation of the recycling process to the directions of European Community. Computer database ARES is directly connected to internet search engine, which allows customers from all country to check out our stock of spare parts. The need to create such program came out of necessity to record spare parts and because of the lack of information for the customers about our stock. Thanks to our program, we obtained the possibility of immediate sale of the car spare parts through internet. Nowadays, world wouldn't function without computers. They are present everywhere, helping us in every sphere of our life. That is why we charge a computer, armed with special software, with a task of system work integration. Computer assists every stage of the recycling process, beginning from the receipt of the car, through its verification and disassembling, finishing with the managing of the stock of spare parts to be sold and the stock of waste. We believe that car disassembling plants in Poland have a great opportunity nowadays. Paradoxically, but it's because of lack of investments, they can quickly apply new technological organization solutions consistent with the directions of European Community and at the same time catch up with the similar plans in Western Europe. Next to investments in recycling plants connected with environmental protection, crucial are also investments in appropriate computer systems and connecting all the plants to the electronic net of information exchange. Exchange of information about number of scrap vehicles, waste, parts and recovered materials will allow planning central solution of the problem of rendering harmful materials obtained in the process of car recycling. The use of information from the net of disassembling plants will also enable the construction of the vehicles in the way to achieve best results of renewed use for parts and materials. Basic aim of Ambit company is creation of the system controlling organization of the car recycling in the meaning of the whole country, through creation of a two-stage system of receipt and recycling of the cars, also unification of the organization and technology of recycling in plants as well as connection of the recycling plants in Poland through the computer information net based on ARES system. The task of this system is to assist complex organization of car recycling plant functioning on the territory of the whole country through creation of the net of car recycling stations (CRS) based on the unified organization technological system connected with each other by means of common system of information exchange with the help of modern internet technologies. The basis of the system is Car Recycling Station (CRS). CRS is a specialized plant for recycling fulfilling all the requirements and environment protection and which realizes disassembling of the immobilized cars. Vehicles for scrapping are gained from the net of car receipt point (CRP), financially connected with CRS. In CRS, cars are disassembled with the use of special technological line or in technological group. All the elements obtained in the process of disassembling are recorded in the computer program in two categories. The first category, parts for renewed use, spare parts. The second category, waste. Because of the considerable value of investments connected with starting CRS, they should manage the area of 100 km. Cars for scrapping will be obtained in that area by CRP, which in most cases can be set on the territory of already existing sorts of immobilized cars, widely known as auto scrap. Car receipt points (CRP) would be specially prepared points of terminal stocking of immobilized cars placed in main towns of the province. Such points, after receipt of the car from the customer, would physically destroy number areas of the vehicle and store cars. Until connecting appropriate number of the vehicles and then provide specialized transportation to CRS, the place of disassembling and recycling. For the appropriate functioning of the suggested system, necessary would be the central coordination center, collecting information from the recycling plants. This center would be simultaneously represent companies working in our recycling and would create a proper lobby. Such coordination role may be performed by Forum Association of Car Recycling Force, simultaneously executing its statutory role. Creation and application of suggested electronic channels of information exchange from the car recycling would build up a position of force in European Association EGARA and would become a model solution of the other countries introducing car recycling. The problem of car recycling in Poland increases with the growth of the number of cars used on Polish roads, and which finally will have to be immobilized. Proposed and already applied by us solutions allow complete execution of the process in the meaning of the whole country and according to the rules of European Community, environment protection and interest of Polish economy. In course of realization of our program, we hope very much to the assistance of the enterprises and institutions, especially those interested in such activities and contemporary world, ensuring minimal harmful influence of the developing technology on the natural environment of the human being.